Looking for a powerful, low-cost, dry air dental compressor? Running a dental milling machine? We've got you covered. Serving the dental, milling, laboratory, surgical, laser, and other specialty use applications, California Air Tools locally manufactures low-cost 8, 10, 20, and 60-gallon ultra-quiet and oil-free air compressors with 80% and 98% air dryers with automatic drain valve. Optional soundproof cabinet models reduce noise level by an additional 12 decibels on average. Visit CaliforniaAirTools.com to learn more.